Hey guys, it's Nate Jackson, and we're on to the next feature right now. So far, we've shown you how to find groups that you want to join using the Group Gorilla module, as well as finding groups that you belong to using the My Groups option. We've shown you how to join groups using the Party Crasher, and now I'm going to show you how to create a Do Not Post list using the Preview feature. So once you find groups that you want to join and you join them, and then you are going to be at a certain point you're going to be accepted into certain groups. Well, you may not want to post to, you may be a member of some groups that have nothing to do with your business, but maybe are more social groups. So you don't want to post your business ads to those social groups. So you need to be able to eliminate those groups from your My Groups list and then create a Do Not Post list, so that as you download more groups, you'll make sure that you don't post to those groups in the future as your list of groups increases. So you go to the Preview module, and then you pick the list of groups that is your My Groups file, and you do that by going to your email address in the documents, FBVA, and then your email address. You go to Groups, and then you go to the folder called My Groups, and then you pick any of the files that are groups that you actually belong to. So I've done it by keyword, but you want to pick the My Groups file. So you pick your My Groups file, and then and then once you have that, then you click Load List. Now when you load list, that's going to load all of the groups that you belong to, so you can go through them one by one, see what they're about, and if you want to keep them in your My Groups file, then you just go to the next group and decide if you want to keep that group in your My Groups file, and it'll expand the description for you, so you can read what the description of the group is about. And if you want to keep it, then you just go on to the next group. And if you don't want to keep it in your My Groups file, then you just click delete, and it'll delete it from your My Groups file. So as you see, we started with 449 groups in the file, and now we're at 448. So we deleted that one, I'll delete that one, and we're at 447. So you can use this feature to go through all of the groups that you belong to decide if you want to use them to post to or if you don't. And once you don't want, when you decide that there are groups that you don't want to post to, it creates a Do Not Post list with the same name as the My Groups list. So if I go to my FBVA folder, this is Documents, FBVA, and then go to my email address, and then go to the Groups, My Groups. Now we have a file called My Groups, which is the new file where I've deleted the groups. And we also have a file called My Groups Do Not Post List, so that when we're posting, we can upload the Do Not Post list into the file, into the software, and it'll make sure that it doesn't post to those groups if you happen to have that information still in your new My Groups file. So that's how you can use the preview function to create a Do Not Post list. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how we can actually start posting to the groups that you belong to. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and I'll see you in the next video.